Hello students, in this video I am going to show you the answer key of 2025 computer application examination. So here we go with this question paper. Let me show you, and here I will explain in brief, not in detail. Okay, so listen carefully. Here is the question in front of you. You can see question page number 2, question number 1 I am going to discuss. So here we go. See question number 1. It is given there. Character class methods are found in package called character class is a wrapper class. Okay, and wrapper classes belongs to java.lang package. So the option B is correct. Okay, here the option will be java.lang package. Answer is B, java.lang. Now second question. Here z plus 32. Z plus 32 means the ASCII value of z is what? The ASCII value of z is the ASCII value of Z is 90. Capital A to Z की ASCII value 65 to 90 होती है, तो 90 plus 32. तो Z plus 32 means 90 plus 32 will be equal to 122. And please remember, the result of addition will always be an integer. So the result of this will be, the answer of this will be 122, not small z. Okay, few of you may write the small z. Okay, then coming to the next. Here double type, question number 3, double x 2.5, 4.5, 5.6 is given there. So here let me zoom it. Okay, so here we have 4 variables. The question is what? How many double x 2.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.4, 4 in double type of values are here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so the question is what? How many bytes this array will occupy? So the size of one double data type is 8 bytes, and here we have how many? You can see 2.5, 4.4 double types of values are here. So 8 into 4 will be what? 32. So the answer of this is what? 32. Okay, coming to the next question. Next question, here we have 4 options. You can see 42 divided by 6 modulus 2. You know, here division and modulus both operator have same precedence, so we'll go from left to right. So going from left to right, division is coming first. So 42 by 6 will be 7. 6 7 is 42. So 7 and 7 modulus 2. If we'll modular 7 by 2, you'll get 1. So the answer of this will be what? 1. Okay. Now going to the next question. So this is all about this question number 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now page number, I'm here on the page number 3. Okay. So keep watching. Okay. Now see, here also some answers I've already ticked. Consider two-dimensional array P, 2, 3. Here this is two-dimensional array 0 and 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, these are the row index and these are the column index. Okay, so it is said given state the index of the device barcode scanner. Okay, so barcode scanner is here. So the index of this barcode scanner is 1, 1. So answer A, option A is correct for this. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 6. Let me zoom it. Okay, to make it more clear. So option A is correct for this. Now going to the next question number 6. Which of the following is user-defined data type? So here array is user-defined data type. Class also user-defined data type. Double and boolean are predefined data types. So option B is correct, 1 and 3. Okay. Now coming to the next question number 7. Select the infinite loop. Okay. See here I have taken this question. This is the infinite loop. You can see first time the value of I will be 2. And next time it will decrease by 3, I equal to I minus 3. So the value of I will become I equal to I minus 3 means 2 minus 3 will become minus 1. And then next value will be minus 1, minus 3 will become minus 4. It will never become 0. So this condition will never be false. Okay, it will remain true. So this loop will be repeated infinite times. Okay. So the option B is correct. You can check other loops. Once the condition will be false and control will go outside the loop. So the answer of this is what? Option B is the infinite loop. Okay. Then coming to the next question. Okay, let me zoom it again. Okay, now here we go. Question number 8, the output of max -7 math mean -5 -4. So first this innermost loop is innermost function executes first. So here we have innermost function. Which function we have as the innermost? Mean function we have. So first mean function will work. So mean function is what? -5 -4. So out of -5 -4, which one is the minimum value? -5 is the minimum value. And then -7 and -5, what is the maximum value? It is -5. So the answer will be -5. Out of -7 and -5, -5 is the greater value, maximum value. So the result will be -5. Okay. Now coming to the question number 9. Which of the following is true for the given object creation statement? Okay. Here cricket is object and game is class. Here a new keyword creates a game is a class. Game is a class. Game is a class and cricket is an object. This option is correct. Okay. Now coming to the question number 10. Post office is an example of which access specifier. Post office is for public access, means for a public service. Okay, it provides a service to anyone publicly. So like that, so it is the option answer of this question will be public. Okay, it is public for the public service. So the answer will be public. Okay, public, a public access specifier provide access to all the from everyone. Okay, so the answer will be public. Now coming to the next question. Here it is. Assertion and reason. Okay, students, look at here. Here option B, sorry, A is correct. In switch case, a break statement avoids fall through. Okay, if the break statement will be there, fall through control will not move to the next condition. As you know, this is the called fall through condition. So if break is there, it avoids the fall through condition. Okay, and break statement helps to execute only one case at a time. Okay, this is also correct, and this is the reason. Actually, this is the reason. Okay, so we can say a break statement helps to execute only one case at a time, but this is not the proper reason as per me. ब्रेक स्टेटमेंट फॉल थ्रू कंडीशन अवॉइड करता है, लेकिन कैसे करता है? क्योंकि ब्रेक पे कंट्रोल जाते ही कंट्रोल नेक्स्ट केस पे मूव नहीं करता, ये रीजन होना चाहिए. सो ऑप्शन बी, एज पर मी द ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. बोथ आर ट्रू, assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So as per me, option B should be correct. Okay, now coming to the next question. Question number 5 is here. Let me zoom it right now. Okay, now see. Physical education teacher asked the student to do the side stretch as shown below, and 10 times which programming construct teacher uses. Same thing is repeating 10 times. So for loop, any loop, here it is given for. So 10 times same process, student is stretching, doing same thing 10 times. So repetition is there, so for loop. Answer of this will be for loop. Okay. The index subscript of the last element of the array AR is, the AR dot length. Okay, here we do not put bracket, -1 will be the last index. So here AR dot length, you can, this option D is correct because here it is given is bracket. AR dot length, here length is variable. In case of array, length is a variable, so we do not put bracket here. This is wrong. So D is correct answer, array dot length. Okay, coming to the next question. This question number 14. A clock is a real life example of nested loop. Correct. The R hand moves through the positive while the 12 positions, while the minute hands move to the 60 position within each hour. Okay, means what happens in nested loop. Outer loop, inner loop repeats when inner loop is completed. पूरा एक inner loop पूरा जब चल जाता है तब कंट्रोल जाता है वापस और फिर से आउटर लूप एक बार आगे बढ़ता है. वैसे ही जो मिनट्स वाली सुई है पूरी एक राउंड 60 मिनट्स का पूरा एक राउंड ले लेती है, तब जो है आर वाली सुई एक मूव करती है, फिर पूरा 60 मिनट्स का मूव कर लेती है, फिर आर वाली सुई एक मूव करती है. तो सेम थिंग नेस्टेड लूप में भी होता है. इनर लूप पूरा चल जाता है, इनर लूप पूरा चलने के बाद फिर कंट्रोल जब वापस आता है तो फिर आउटर लूप एक आगे मूव करता है. तो दिस इज द करेक्ट So assertion and reason both are correct, and assertion is the reason is the correct expression of assertion. Option A is correct for this. Okay, correct. Now coming to the next question. Here we go. Now question number 15. Which of the following pairs of methods will cause the compile time error to incorrect method due to incorrect method overloading? You know, method overloading is what? Defining more than one function of same name with different parameters list. Okay, here the name is same, but parameter is different. Int a, b, here double a and b. So this is correct. Second, b also correct. Same name, different parameters list. Okay, same name but with different parameters list. But here same name but with same parameters it has defined. So this will create a compile time error. This option is correct. Avoid, this is incorrect function overloading. You will have the message that this test function already defined. Okay, such error message you will have. So this option is correct. Defining more than one function, defining more than one function of same name with different parameters list. Here you can see the parameter list is not different. So this is incorrect. So this option is correct as per the question. It will create the compile time error. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Question number 16. Okay. Question number 16. Which of the following converts 25 to 25.0? में the string को double में convert करना है तो parse double function converts string to double types. This option is correct. The others are wrong. Here p will not be capital, p in small letter. This condition is true. This is true. Okay. And here everything is okay, but it is not written in double quotes. So this is wrong. Okay. So for 16, option C is correct. Consider the program segment p equal to 0, this. And students, see carefully. It's very important. And I think most of you have done this mistake. Hope so. I hope so, not done also. But look at here. See, I am showing you semicolon. कहाँ गया? Just a minute. Can you see the semicolon, students, after the loop? Semicolon here. Semicolon means it is not syntax error. It terminates the loop. Loop को terminate कर देता है. Semicolon का मतलब full stop होता है. The loop will be terminated here itself. So the initial value of p will be 4. Okay. Then it will decrease by 2. It will become 2. Then again it will decrease by 2. It will become 0. When it will become 0, again it will decrease by 2. It will become when p will be 0, 0 is greater than 0, condition will be false. Okay, 0 is greater than 0, condition will be false. So control will go outside the loop. Means loop यहीं पे, यहाँ से control यहाँ जाएगा और फिर यहाँ ऐसे मूव करेगा. इसी में लूप चलेगा क्योंकि इसमें लूप यहीं पे टर्मिनेट हो चुका है. ये दोनों लाइन लूप के बाहर हो गई. These two lines are outside the loop now. Okay, so these statements will not be repeated. Will be executed but will not be repeated. Loop has been terminated here itself. So when the value of p will, you can see it is decreasing by 2. So when the value of p will be 0, this condition will be false. Control will go outside the loop and will reach here. And here they have printed p 2 times. So 0, 0. This option is correct. System dot out print this. Sorry. Option D will be correct. One more thing, students, here print and println. So D will be correct. 0 will be printed again. Line will not be changed. Cursor will remain in the same line, and then 0 will be printed. Then this ln will change the line. 0, 0. This option D is correct. Sorry, student. Option D is correct. छोटी छोटी बातें नहीं ध्यान देंगे. प्रिंट ln पे भी ध्यान देना था. तो गलतियां हो सकती हैं. Option D is correct for this. Okay. Now coming to the next question. I said, see students here, this slash and double quotes will print double quote. This is escape sequence character. Here also slash and double quote will print the double quotes. So here the answer will be I said, comma, then instead of this slash will be printed. As in this of slash double quote will be printed. It's so and instead of this slash. This slash and this single inverted comma is also escape sequence character. Instead of this, single quote will be printed. So this is the correct answer. This answer is correct. Okay. So Rest thing as it is, only instead of this thing here slash double quotes will print it. Because of this slash single quote will be printed, and this because of this slash double quote this double quote will be printed. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of question number 18. Now coming to the next question. Next page. Here we go with this next question. Now question number 19. What is the output of the statement given below? Anger dot compare to Angel. You know, it compares character by compare to function compares character by character, and where the first mismatching is found, it returns the difference of their ASCII value. So A matching, no, so N matching, G matching, E matching. So R and L are mismatching. So ASCII value of R minus L. So you know L, M, N. So M, N, O, P, Q, R. So you can see the difference is of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the ASCII value of R minus the ASCII value of L will get R minus L will be a positive 6. This is the answer. Okay, now coming to the next question. Is the last question of this section. Question. So here the option was 6, positive plus 6. Consider the following program segment in which statement jumbled. Okay, this is 2. And choose the correct ordered statement to calculate the return factorial of 4. 4 का factorial calculate करना है. So initially this statement will come first, where we are initializing or declaring 3. So 3. Then this loop will be there. So 3, 1. Then this calculation will take place, means 4. And then at last we'll return the value of that FA, that is 2. 3, 1, 4, 2. Which one is there? B option is correct. Okay, I hope these options are you have done correctly. I wish. Okay, now coming to the question number 2. Here also, this also I'm going to solve in brief. Listen carefully. Write the Java expression to find the product of root of P and the square root of Q. Write a Java expression to find the product of square root of P. Here I'm writing mat dot sqrt square root of P and the square root of Q. And what to do? Square root of P and square root of Q of this, we have to find the method using the method into math dot sqrt Q. Square root of Q, product of square root of P and square root of Q. So simple, this is the question. Next question, write the output of the following string method. String x equal to talent, y equal to matrix. Okay. Make it more clear. Just a minute. Now see. Here x equal to talent, y equal to matrix. Okay. Substring here, this function will work first. Substring 3, y dot substring is y. So 0, 1, 2, 3 means from index number 3 to last. So the answer of the output, the result of this will be Rix. And then the substring function will work. Substring x dot substring 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Ent. The result of this will be ENT. And both will be concatenated. So final result will be Rix. Entrix. Okay. Whatever it is, the answer. Now coming to the next question. Write the Java statement to create the object of Shifra of the class robot, which takes 3 double parameters. We are going to create the object of robot class. Robot. Class name is robot. The object name is given as Shifra. SIFRA equal to new. Then again Shifra. Sorry, robot. Class name is robot. Robot, and it is given that 3 double parameters. Okay, 3 double parameters. So any 3 parameters you can pass 2.5, 1.5, 7.25, whatever. Any 3 double type of value you can pass. You know when constructor is called with 3 double parameters, which takes 3 double parameters, means Here we have to create the object, and that time also we have to pass the parameter, because there is a parameterized constructor which is requiring how many? 3 parameters. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now coming to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. 3 questions we have done now. Question number 4. Okay. Okay, students, थोड़ा सा casually चल रहे हैं. Don't worry. You focus on the answers. Okay. Now see. Here we go. Convert the following loop into exit control loop. There is only one exit control loop, that is do while loop. So we have to convert in that. So in do while loop, the condition is checked at the end of the loop. That in exit control loop, उसमें condition कहाँ पे check होती है? End of the loop पे check होती है. So that I'm going to write here. Okay. So first int a comma b semicolon. Then here initialization and a equal to 1, a equal to 10, semicolon, b equal to 1, semicolon. Then this condition will check at last. Okay. Then the rest thing, do. Okay. Then b plus equal to a, semicolon, b plus plus. What is written in the code? I am writing that b plus plus, and then this updation statement will do here. Okay, a equal to a minus equal to 2, and then we'll check the condition while a is greater than 1, then semicolon. This condition we check at the end of the loop in case of exit control loop. So this everything I have written separately. Then within do block I have written these 2 lines, and this updation also should be written here only. And then at last we check the condition. So finally this is what exit controlled loop. You can write it by pausing the video. Okay, I'm going to delete it now. Okay, coming to the next question. Next question is this. See, the question is too long, but it's very easy, ध्यान से देखो. Okay, look at here. It is said to find the output of this code. Let me show you. Okay, here it is. We'll start from the main function. As you know, execution starts from main function. So in this line, we are creating the object of report class R. So what will happen when we create the object of any class? New operator allocates memory for the data members. Here we have 2 data members. So memory will be allocated for A and B. And this constructor, you can see one constructor they have defined, report. There are 2 constructors. Constructor overloading is here, non-parameterized, parameterized, or you can say default and parameterized. So here report, so this constructor will be called. You can see there is no parameter, so this constructor will be called, and the value of A will be initialized with 10 and B with 15, and the address will be stored into R. Okay. Then R print, this print function we are calling by this object R. So this function print will be called, and so it is printing A into B. So what is A and B? 10 into 15, so the output will be 150. Then again, we are creating the object, another object, report P new report. Again, same thing will happen. New operator will allocate memory for the data members of A and B, for A and B. And this time, this constructor, parameterized constructor will be called. Since it is requiring 2 parameters, we are passing 2 parameters, 4 and 5. This 4 will go to X, 5 will go to Y, and the value of X will be stored into A. So A will be 4 and Y will be stored into B, B will be 5. Then control will come back to here, and the address will be stored into P. Okay, small p. Then P dot, we are calling the function print by the P object. So the value of P, A and B are what? 4 and 5 respectively. So print function will be called, and 4 into 5, that is 20 will be printed. So the output here I have written So 150, 20. The answer is what? Output will be what? 150 and 20. Once this constructor will be called, A and B will be 10 and 15, and second time this constructor will be called, and the value of X and Y will be 4 and 5. Okay, so answer is this, output is this, answer is this. Okay, now coming to the next question. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6 is here. Let me show you. Name the string method which results in positive integers only. The answer of this is length. Length function or string class. Only length function returns positive integers. You know, it can never return negative value because there is no negative length. Okay, and empty string में maximum होगा तो 0 return करेगा, तो it returns positive integers only. Okay, and index of function is there, but it returns -1 when the character is not in the index. So that index of function is not correct answer of this. Length is correct answer. Okay, name one string method which results in a character. Name string method which result in character. The answer of this is char at function. Char at function returns a character type of value. Okay, so clear. Now coming to the next question, question number 7. John was asked to write the Java code to calculate the surface area of a cone. The following code was written by him. This, okay, surface area formula ये है जहाँ पे L की value ये है. So you know this formula we need to write first, then this formula we have to write as per the maths, क्योंकि L की value यहाँ पहले calculate होंगे, तब pi RL की value हम calculate कर पाएंगे. Okay, so what is the mistake here? Let me show you. The mistake is the mistake is what? This line L should be first and A should be afterwards. So what mistake you have done? So here it is said no. The question is what? Specify the type of the error in the above program. Correct and write the program to be error free. Okay, so only that line will correct with which there is error. Actually, what is the mistake here? You know, first L should be calculated, then A should be calculated, and they have calculated both. First, the sequence is different, so ये पहले ये ऐसे होना चाहिए. पहले L calculate हो तब R calculate होना चाहिए, A calculate होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So what will happen here? First, we have written the formula 22.0/7 into RL. Pi RL we have written here. So what is the value of L? There is no value L has. So here you will have the message, the variable L might not have been initialized. So you can say this is what type of error is what? Compile time error, or you can say syntax error. This is called syntax error. Okay, you will have the message, the variable L might not have been initialized. There is logical error also, but initially when you compile the program, no, you will get the error message, the variable L might not have been initialized, and this is what? Compile time error, or you can say actually type of error is what? Syntax error. Syntax error is also called compile time error. So syntax error or compile time error, both are correct answer. Or compile time error, both are correct answer as per I'm telling you. And correct and write the program to be error free. So only these two lines you need to interchange. So you can rewrite this thing and just interchange these statements, the things will be correct. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Question number 8. Let me show you 8. Now question number 8 is here. Sorry students, was a interruption or okay. Question number 8. Consider the following array and answer the questions given below. Here, let me write the index first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Index लिख लिया करो, ये तुरंत आसान हो जाएंगे. System dot, what is the output of the system dot println? A0, the value of A0 is 12. A5 is what? 2. ठीक है. 12 plus 2 will be what? 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 2. So 12 plus 2 will be what? 14. Output will be 14. Okay. Then here, what is the index of the largest element of the array A? So here you can see the largest element of this array is 12. So index is what? 0. So output will be 0. For this, the answer will be 0. Okay. Next question. Write the Java statement to initialize the first 6 odd numbers in 3 cross 2 array. Here it is said to draw the 3 cross 2 array, means 3 rows, 3 rows and 2 columns. And 2 columns. Let me draw it again. 3 rows and 2 columns. So here I am drawing 3 rows and 2 columns only 2 columns and 3 rows. Okay. So, first 6 odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. ये करना है. First 0, 1, 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. यही करना है. Write a Java statement to initialize the first 6 odd numbers. Means here we have to declare a 2D array int a, 2D array this and this equal to, here we'll write in first row how many elements? 1, 3. Initialization of 2D array that I am using here. I have uploaded video for all that things. Okay, these are the basic things 5, 7 and finally 9 and 11. 9, 11 initialized. This is the answer of this first, okay, statement. This way, this is element of first row, element of second row, element of third row. It is set to first 6 odd numbers. Okay. Now coming to the next question, B. What is the result of x01? Now here, this is row 0. Here from here, if you draw this figure, the things will be easier for you. 0, 1. 0, 1 is what? 3. And 2, 1 is what? 2, 1 is what? 11. 0, 1 and 2, 1. 3 and 11, that is 14. So output of this will be what now? 14. 0, 1 and 2, 1. Index number 0, 1, 2. 0, 1 is 3 and 2, 1 is 11. 11 plus 3 will be what? 14. This is the answer. Now coming to the last question of this section. Give the output of the following program segment. Let me clear this first. Give the output of the following program segment and specify how many times the loop is executed. Okay. So here S is Java, J, A, V, A and 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will start from 0. The value of I will start from 0. S dot length is what? 4. The length is 4. Condition true. Now here control will go to the loop. Go inside the loop. Means only one state I will be printed. What is the value of I? The value of I 0, 0 will be printed. Line will be changed. Then I plus 2, I will be 2. Loop executed once. Okay. Now going to execute 2 times. So I is 2 now. The condition true. Control will go inside the loop. I mean second time. It is repeating second time. Now again 0. I will be printed. Oh, sorry. Not I. Oh, sorry. Substring I. Again, let me start from the beginning again. Sorry. I didn't clear. I was thinking. Okay. J, Java, J, A, V, A, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. First time the value of I is 0. Okay. Condition length is 4. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. So here I am counting 1. Control will go inside the loop. I substring I means index number 0 to last will be printed. Java. Okay. And then I plus 2, I will be 2. This condition is true. So again, second time the loop is going to repeat. So here I am writing the output. S dot substring I means index number I. What is the value of I? I is 2 now. So from index number 2 to last, VA. VA will be printed. VA will be printed. Now then I plus 2. Now I will be what? 4. And this condition will be false. 4 is less than 4, condition will be false. So control will go outside the loop. Control will go outside the loop. So how many times it has been repeated? 2 times only. The output is this and 2 times. 2 times it will be printed. How many times the loop is executed? 2 times and output is what? Java and VA. Okay, next number 2 to last, 0 to last and 2 to last. Okay. Now listen students, okay, now over one thing, this time some misprintings are there. Here also you can see one closing is missing here too. Substring system.println वाली जो closing है वो missing है, तो syntax error भी अगर तुमने लिखा है तो बोर्ड को consider करना चाहिए as per me. but still here it is not said to find the error, so you should ignore the syntactical errors. This misprinting you is supposed to ignore. Okay, generally it is the rule कि अगर error can जब तक error सही करने के लिए ना बोले तब तक errors पे ध्यान नहीं देना. मिसप्रिंटिंग हो सकती है, मिसप्रिंटिंग्स को इग्नोर किया जाता है. एक यहाँ पे मिस्टेक थी, एक और मिस्टेक है स्टूडेंट बता रहा हूँ. वन मोर प्लेस इज देयर वेयर देयर इज अ मिस्टेक. सिंटैक्टिकल एरर है, ब्रैकेट छूटा हुआ है, एक जगह और था. Here also, let me zoom it and show you. Here also in this line. Here also one closing of system.out.println is missing. So please remember next time if you are attempting any board examination paper, जब तक बोले ना कि error सही करना है, and don't rectify the error until it is said. Just printing mistakes should be ignored. Here it is said to find the output, so find the output only. Okay. So I hope you have done correct. You have choose the correct option with this. Thank you, and watch this video. And if ho sakta hai, maybe I have in hurry bari I have done some mistakes. So please tell me through the comment if I have done any mistake. I will rectify it through the comments. Okay. So thank you, students. Bye to all.